Hi, this is Kevin with KGM Jam, owner of ProAdvertisersClub, a totally free site to advertise. Go to ProAdvertisersClub.com and join for free today. Okay, I'm going to make this a real quick video. I'm going to claim the reward, open the pack up, and then show you the ways real quick on how to make money. And I'll have a longer one tomorrow. Right now I'm in a place where I really can't be recording. So let's go ahead and claim the reward. I will show you the data real quick too. Now you get one of these every day when you do 5 victories. It doesn't have to be in a row. And depending on what you're thinking, I got a card today. That's nice. Okay, so you can win cards, packs, credits, potions. So now let's go over here and open up the pack. And I don't have any potions, but I don't care. I've got my best cards without any potions at all, so it is possible. But yeah, you would do better with potions when you can get them, and you get those in the chest. You can buy them on the secondhand market also. Okay, you get 5 cards. One's guaranteed to be a rare or better. You always want gold, which that one might be. That's a legendary. Wow, that's a $10 card right there. Nice. See what else I got? And then I got a rare right there, it looks like. Okay, so there's that. That's a common. Then let's see what our rare is. Okay, so not a bad pack at all today. Now I'm going to destroy this card. I'm going to combine them with the other ones I got. I got 3 of them, and that's going to make that, or 4 of them. That's going to make that a $50 card. And then I'm going to max it out, which it takes 11 of them. And then I'll rent him out, or I'll use them in gameplay, and then you can even sell them if you want. But anyway, let's go look at the numbers real quick. And they will be down here. Here they are. Okay, those are the rules that I'm going by. That's the amount of money that I got into it out of my pocket. And these are today's numbers. 780 value plus the $40 SPS minus what I got into it with a profit of 440. That's if I was to cash out today. And my power points have gone up every single day. Okay. Now the way I make money is through the affiliate marketing program, which everybody can do. I got one guy signed up already, and the other ones are starting to come alive and play. And I get 5% of everything they do for the rest of my life. Then you get DEC from buying and selling cards and battling. When you win a battle, you win DEC. You get the chest. Now, the seasons are 15 to 30 days long, or 12 to 15 days long. And the number of chests you get at the end depends on how high your rating is. So I'm trying to get the silver 3 where I'll get 11 chests. Right now I'm due to get 9 in 3 days. And then you go to the market and you can buy and sell. That's another way. This is Peak Monsters. You get that through there. And here's the value of my set. So this proves that I'm not just making it up. And this changes every minute. It's like the cards are getting more valuable, less valuable, whatever. This is my rental. I'm due to make 336 DEC today, which I will use to reinvest in the business. And that will that's going up towards the end of the season. So there's another way to make money. And then you got an airdrop. Here's the market. You can get cards as cheap as 3 cents, or cards as expensive as $500,000. Depends on what you're going after, what your strategy is. But let's go to here, and I'll show you real quick the airdrop they're doing for another 150 days. That's what I got today in free SPS, and they're going at 13 cents right now. So I'm going to claim that, and that's every day. And then I'm also making money from the staking. I'll go ahead and claim the staking rewards. which is about the 5th time today I've done that. And then I'll stake them, and then that's going to be it for today because I got to go. Stake. So as the SPS goes up in value, so will my account. When I got in here a month ago, in the beginning of January, it was a quarter. So it's gone down like everything else, but it will go back up. And let's see what my total is right now for staking. 308. I got another 150 days of that.